Today, we're going to go over 3 different ways you could automate your bathroom with Lutron Caseta.
We currently have a 3-gang box. The first switch on the right is a dimmer for the 3 recessed lights above the sink. The middle switch is for both the shower light and exhaust fan, and the third switch on the left is for the LED tape light under the vanity. We'll start off by removing the plate and switches. This is a guest bathroom, and many times visitors forget to turn on the exhaust fan when they take a shower, or they forget to turn off the fan and it stays on for hours. I want to solve that problem, as well as making it easy for guests to operate. I'll replace the standard Diva dimmer for the 3 recessed lights with a Caseta Diva dimmer. Then I will replace the fan and shower switch with Caseta Claro switches. I got lucky. They ran 2 Romex wires to the exhaust fan and the shower light, so I'm able to separate them so that we can control them independently. I'm going to remove the switch that controlled the LED tape light and make the outlet under the cabinet hot all the time. I will install a Caseta plug-in lamp dimmer to control the tape light. For the first option, I will utilize a Scene Pico. I will install a 5-gang faceplate. The Scene Pico will be on the right. This will be the first switch that guests hit as they enter the bathroom. I will put a paddle Pico to control the Caseta plug-in lamp dimmer for the LED tape light all the way on the left. To program the Scene Pico, open the Lutron Caseta app. Click on the keypad and select Edit Device. Under the Buttons section, click on Alert. This is the top button. I will have the 3 recessed lights come on to 50% and have the exhaust fan turn on. Click Save. Then select Good Night. This is the bottom button. I will have it turn off everything except for the exhaust fan. This will make it easy for a guest to turn off all the lights by pressing one button. Next, I will edit the exhaust fan and click on the Auto Off Timer. Click Enable Timer and select the amount of time that you want the fan to stay on. I selected 30 minutes, so every time the fan is turned on, whether it's through the app, a scene button, voice control, or directly from the Caseta switch, it will automatically turn off after 30 minutes. For the second option, I will use the wireless Lutron motion detector. Click on the device and select Edit Device. You can click on Active Hours to change the auto on and auto off sensing times. This is a great feature if you only want the motion sensor to work when it's dark or a specific time. For our bathroom application, I want it to sense motion all the time, so I will keep it at all day for both the auto on and auto off sensing. Click on Lights and Fans to include. Here I will select which devices I want to turn on and turn off based on motion. I will have the main recessed lights turn on to 50% and have them turn off after the motion timeout period. For the exhaust fan, I will have it turn on when motion is detected and have it unaffected after the motion timeout period. I will use the exhaust fan timer to turn off the exhaust fan after 30 minutes. The third option is my favorite. I will keep it clean and just have the 3 Caseta switches on the wall. I will program it so that if either of the 2 ceiling lights turn on, the exhaust fan will automatically turn on too. To do this, I will use Apple HomeKit. You can also use other automation software such as HomeSeer, Hubitat, Home Assistant, and others, but for this application, the Apple Home app is the simplest to set up. Open the Apple Home app. Click on Automation. Select Create New Automation. Select An accessory is controlled. Select the Guest Bathroom Caseta Dimmer. Click Next. Select Turns On. Click Next. Select the bathroom exhaust fan. Select Next, then hit Done. Then repeat this process for the shower light. Now, if either light is turned on, the exhaust fan will automatically turn on too. We already programmed the exhaust fan timer in the Lutron app to turn off after 30 minutes, so we're all set. Since guests don't need to control the LED tape lights under the cabinet, I hid the Pico remote on the inside of the cabinet door. This allowed me to put it back to a 3-gang switch bank, which gives it a cleaner look and doesn't confuse guests.
This channel is dedicated to Lutron's Caseta system. Please let me know in the comments down below what video you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.